So now that we've talked about the basics of color mixing and how to match the colors, we are now ready to draw the quick grid. The quick grid is something that I do with my students to help them quickly draw out the subject in proportion based on the size of the canvas and the cropped ratio of the photos. So that's why we wanted to take a photo in the first place and crop it to a good composition. Composition is just how the objects are arranged within the frame of the image. Now we can use the quick grid to quickly draw out our picture on the canvas. We can skip pencils, we can skip drawing it on paper first. We don't have to use projectors. You can rely on your drawing skills to draw straight on the canvas with your paintbrush. So before we draw the quick grid, we're going to mix up some drawing fluid using black. So to do this, we're going to take a little bit of Gamsol. Still have a little bit of yellow in there. And what we want is just kind of a watercolor consistency. Okay, you want this to be easy to lift off the canvas, and I'll show you that in just a second. So what I mean by that is if you draw a line, you want to be able to rinse and lift your line off of the surface, fairly quickly. If you get it on there too thick, it takes a little bit more effort to do that.